Vegas in the rain. Because we're from New Jersey. It rains everywhere we go.
We left Vegas already.
Right, parents?
Oh, we had a great time.
Rain.
Raining today.
Lots of rain.
It's only raining because we're leaving.
Right. Thank goodness. We got our fearless driver. Can't see nothing. He's alright.
We thought it rains in the desert.
Every once in a while.
Once in a while. Okay.
Usually when we're on vacation. That's true. Look at the bright side, honey. Getting wet.
All his furniture, his couches,
Their mattresses. They're all gonna be garbage. Garbage now. I guess because they figure they're in the desert.